Buyers in the truck market know the all-new Chevy Avalanche blends the versatility of a truck and the comfort of an SUV, with a roomy cargo area and luxurious interior. And Bill Pierre Chevrolet is your premier source for Chevrolet vehicles in the Seattle area. Visit our interactive website at www.pierrechevrolet.com. While you're there, see our huge inventory of new vehicles. Find out what kind of special financing is available. Get loans with little or no money down. And find out more about the 60 years of award-winning service that makes Bill Pierre Chevrolet Seattle's premier Chevy dealership. Bill Pierre Chevrolet is located at 11323 Lake City Way Northeast in Seattle, Washington.